Claude just released Live Artifacts. It lets you build a marketing dashboard like this one directly inside Claude Cowork. In this video, I will show you how to connect your ad platforms to Claude using Artifact MCP, and we'll build a live meta ads reporting dashboard together from scratch. All right, let's get into it. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a marketing dashboard like this one. So a bunch of scorecards, graphs, bars, and tables like top placement, top audience, and device. So this is all inside Claude Cowork. Okay, it's not Data Studio, it's right inside Claude Cowork. And the great thing is that you can actually publish that artifact so you can see the dashboard perfectly working on the web. And you can share that with the team or with the client. Before we start working and building the dashboard in Claude, we first need to get the data from Meta into Claude. And to do that, we'll use Artifact. Artifact will be able to do the bridge between the ad platforms and Claude dashboard. So you can connect Meta, but you can also connect other type of ad account like Google Ads, TikTok, and so on. So first you create an account on Artifact, you go to the connections tab and you connect your Meta account if you want to follow my exact video. When you connect, it's very safe. You just connect to Meta and it will have access to your different ad accounts in a very secure way. Once the connection is done, you just need to go here into the MCP and create a new MCP server. The new MCP server will be connected to Claude, so Claude can ask Artifact to get the data. So we'll call it Claude. And you will receive a MCP endpoint and a token. This is what you will give to Claude, so Claude will be able to ask Artifact for your meta ads data. How to connect to Claude is explained very well right there. We also created another video explaining you how to connect Artifact MCP to Claude. Okay, now that Artifact MCP is connected, we need to double check in Claude here in the little plus connectors and see if Artifact MCP server is connected properly. Because Claude needs Artifact to be able to fetch the data from our meta ad account or Google Ads or GA4 if you want to make other dashboards. So here I prepared a small prompt to tell Claude what to do and what kind of dashboard I want to build. So I will just copy paste that little prompt to Claude and let him start working. So what am I asking to Claude? I'm asking to create a dashboard using Live Artifacts for my meta ad account IFM Energy. I want to fetch the data using Artifact MCP for 3 different date ranges and hard code all the data in the dashboard. Then regarding the layout, I want a date selector, I want 6 scorecards, bar charts by day, and then some tables with some breakdowns. And then I tell the look and feel I want it to have black orange type dashboard looking professional. So I will just send that to Claude and Claude will start working and using Artifact MCP to get the data. So let's see what the agent come up with. So you can see here first it's looking for the Artifact MCP and see, okay, how can I get that data using Artifact MCP so I can make the dashboard? Okay, so first Claude check the data. So he used Artifact MCP to see how he can get all the data that we requested. And now that all data is fetched, he can start working on the front end of the dashboard. So the look and feel of the dashboard. Claude finished working and we can see the results. Wow, it's pretty insane. Just with one prompt, this is the result that we get. So we have the scorecard like we requested, the daily performance, and you see it's even animated. Breakdown by placement, where we have the cost, the leads, and so on. That's great. Breakdown by age, breakdown by gender, and then breakdown by audience. So yeah, that's actually perfect. Let's click on the toggle for the last 14 days and last 7 days. So you see everything adapts, everything is clean. So yeah, it's pretty insane what you can do with Live Artifacts today. And as mentioned, the good thing is that I can just publish the artifact and just share the dashboard with my team or with the client directly. So when you do a report for a client, you can just send that. It's animated, it looks cool. It's way better than just sending slides, actually. Yeah, it's super impressive. And actually, you can customize it even further. Like, let's say you don't want orange, you can just ask Claude, okay, can you please change orange to blue? Or let's say that you want to add Google Ads results. You could ask Claude, okay, I want to add Google Ads results, so fetch the data from Artifact for my Google Ad account AFM Energy and add a toggle right there at the top right of the dashboard to switch between Meta and Google Ads, for example. So there is no limit. You just need to ask Claude and Claude will get the necessary data from your accounts using Artifacts and will design as you want it to be designed. Imagine that you have your own branding and you have example of slides or dashboard that you have at your agency. You just drop that into Claude and tell Claude, okay, this is my branding, use that branding for the dashboard, and Claude will use your branding. So this is really, really impressive. So good job Anthropic on this one. It's really cool. And yeah, I think now reporting is going to be way more efficient in the future. And that's it. Just like that, a live meta ads dashboard built in minutes inside Claude Cowork. No need to code, no need for Looker Studio or any data connector. Just use Artifacts MCP, get the data into Claude, and build your dashboard. If you want to try it for yourself, link to Artifacts is in the description. We can share with you the prompt I use in this video. And as I always say, I see you in the next one. Happy automating.